Go.
What's up, beautiful fucker? This is me, Session. We're here in beautiful Oakland. And today I have a special thing I'm doing. I tricked my homegirl. She's gonna be doing my hair, but what I'm doing is I'm gonna be giving her $1,000 cash, just because she's a good person, we supporting small little business, and because she held me down when times were, you know what I mean? I tried to get my hair done and all I had was food I could offer, you know what I'm saying? So we're doing something good today. Give her $1,000 cash. We're gonna film a reaction and see what happens. But my hair gonna look lit. You did. Niggas can't match the patch with the pants. She got my hair growing long, you see what I'm saying? We touch the shoulder blades out here, really deep, for real. Yeah, really touch the shoulder blades when we get into that.
The upgrade is going to be, he might go trade.
After it comes down. Same as last time?
What did you say last time?
It was like 140 or 150.
Yeah, I smoked a J. I had to go get a lead.
One to help you out. For you.
What's this?
Oh, yeah.
Shit. Thank you, bro.
Have a blessed
Nah,
you.
I'm like,
Like good.
thank you, bro.
I appreciate you supporting me.
Look at me.
Alright, as you see, looking crispy, fly as ever. Had to reward my homegirl, man, you know what I mean? I felt great giving it to her, didn't want to make a whole bunch of fuss and shit like that, cause a scene in there, but I was just blessed and felt good to give it to her. She held me down in a time where I couldn't even afford to get my hair done. It's noisy out here, but I couldn't even afford to get my hair done before, and I actually would pay her in food before, you know what I'm saying, because I couldn't afford it, but now that I can afford it, I'm up, she gonna be up. Make sure you go donate to your friends. If you see your friend out there working, listen to me, listen. If you see your friend, okay, if your friend makes fucking t-shirts, all right, John? If John makes t-shirts and he's working, you know what he's doing. He's been striving to do this for a long time, and you go buy shirts from other people and you never bought one from John, what kind of friend are you? Do you support? Probably not. Goodbye.